Kajingja Shoh Haduh bonda Phlei Snam Wengkam school puli ke school Kendra Vidyalaya Nihu Hawe Nonghikai jongate school bla itu kerteng komuniren Roy bohikai ke subject Sanskrit kabla jam na ka khatnyo tari urisau arja arpusan kala penlong ya ka henyo trap youth council HYC haka khat pratari urisau arja arpusan ban lejmi syakate school ban yakran bat kindong penyaj halor kanika man Kajing let jong kaseng syakate school kadai halor kajing tmu ban Wengkam no mardor yau teu Nonghikai bara kajing kran bat kinong penya jong kate school kila yo jing tip bagila dap ban Wengkam yo nadu kasngi bajia kate kajing ja Warla kata na kalyang ginoy alam ka HYC kim syamlahon nya kane bat day hadin bagi dapat I da kajing tho halor kajing Wengkam yo teu Nonghikai kabla penlong ki ban ngej
What action has been taken from you and what's this? The teacher has been terminated. Can you give us any letter? Reassure us that the teacher
has been terminated immediately.
Since you are also, I think you are students.
No, we are the local organization, local youth organization.
See, whatever wrong that teacher has done, what has been done cannot be undone. You understand this? But whatever appropriate action is to be done, it has already been taken. Because for a teacher, for any employee, job is everything. For this misconduct, he has lost his job. Definitely, we never endorse this kind of activity from any teacher. There are very clear instructions right from headquarters that not a single teacher will administer any kind of corporal punishment on anybody. Be it a primary teacher, be it a secondary student, or be it a senior secondary. Nothing is to be done. Now in some whim or fancy that teacher did that. So we ourselves have our own mechanism. We don't spare any such kind of punishment for this kind of misconduct. So we have taken the action, and rest if he had been a regular teacher, the matter would have gone to headquarters, contractual teacher. So you need to be assured that all the students, they are safe and secure.
That's all you are.
Yes, need not punish.
This is a learning environment. Do not
Yes,
such kind of intimidation.
Otherwise, how will they learn? If they are intimidated, they are scared, how will they learn?
We are here for the safety and security of the students.
You don't want such incident.
No.
That is very unfortunate.
CCTV cameras are installed everywhere. That's only because of the safety and security of the students. Otherwise, what is the need of CCTV cameras? But still, if somebody does some mistake, there is mechanism to punish that teacher. Anybody. He joined 1.5 months ago. So he was maybe not aware of this.
Like the teachers, like this is the rule and regulation being revealed in the school.
Yes.
Follow strictly.
Definitely, it is being followed. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan does not spare any misconduct from anybody. Be it a regular teacher, be it a contractual teacher, be it a principal, assistant, commissioner, deputy, everybody has to follow certain procedures.
Yes, we need some type of paper to prove that he's hearing a criminal.
Yes.
Xerox
DGT Sanskrit.
Rest assured,
You don't want to be occurred again.
All these kids are own kids. We are teachers.
Such kind of incident happen,
And
we get sense of fear in the student life.
We treat them like our own kids. We never support any such kind of
Kajar kajing Shoh, kajing takti Khynnah. Ni ka school limbaw gue Nonghikai. Ke marsilio ya tu kubor ni nak kaliang ka HYC mulai circle. Nila ya yo berful ru de ya aktif baja limba election di jang kasih. Tenaka HYC mulai circle mentah kasih amunin masenja tinggal ikut mentah kasih dengan mi syakani ka school bagi nila yo banyak kendo bat ki nong penyat badai bat ka board of school jong ni KV North East marba u principal London te kajingwan bi ka joming hani kajing dawa ka long bet ba dei ban terminate yu tu Nonghikai budan keti minen ban Shoh ye ki Khynnah te hendrai habangyan ni hani menta kila ensure ini baki la terminate ba tu Nonghikai umdei permanent tak kum kajing ong joki dei contractual basis te kila ensure ini baki la terminate te nak HYC mulai circle ni la dawaru ba kadi bandan ka Shillong safe jeng Khynnah habakiwan kuliah kan sekolah namar kani pi kamdei Shoh kasian ka beningkau ka baja kum ni la bun sien hi ni la yo complain ki dong anaki kimi pa baki Nonghikai jokan ka sekolah KV ka badan hanehu ki Nonghikai hi kham smart ban kata khti Khynnah bat om tang atala da ki Khynnah ki complain kat kum ka jing yo kubor na ki kimi pa bada ki Khynnah ki complain kimi pa ki Nonghikai ki berniam ki berset tempat te halor kata ngi wan banyak keren bakam dei bandon Shoh kata batru nila batha ekan ka school bakadei bet install ya CCTV haman man kamera ba lada don kum gini ki jingja bangi nila ban pej ban kmi kai ka baja
habakran sikilat pathai khubor nakaliang uba enlang sawian education secretary ulaong bagajingra aktiu Nonghikai Haduh bandami Snam Khynnah kalong ka bamya hap satya hakabawla kentu ye kinong panya jong ka school bakum kini gijing ja kim dei ban ja Shoh nang ni sakman noror kata ula kentu ru ikinong panya jong ka school bagi dei ban ai ka counseling yau niu Khynnah
Mentasi liyo peman mi hani kajendan dekat jong ka mulai circle mo HYC mulai circle hani ko TV school liyo ban kendu yang ki bor penyat way budai board of committee pek ka ikini ki TV school hapo no is budai principal jong ka TV happy valley school anak liang jong ka seng nila komen bah kani ke jing kendu ka jongi ngilayo ya ka clarification but kila nakalian joki administration jong ka KV ru mo limba ka regional office kaya issue ba ya kata ka letter ka termination letter ka bakila issue sa undi Nonghikai bekerteng liren sing beri contractual ba hikai haka subject Sanskrit badang join min haka September te kani kare kesenjam ka ba long ka ba ngihap banyaro ikbuat penjat jong ka KV ki belasem kesenjam ka ba tige ban pitikna ba kita ki Nonghikai ki badan keti bat ki bersang ban Shoh bandat andi ban penting ban pinsmit ki Khynnah ki bedai ki Khynnah pulih hapo kani keslam pulih KV hani po lihu kinumyo Shoh ekta ka service pat kin tray ni hapo ka KV bat kaniru kalong kum kadak dengan jika ajing senang nak liang ka demonstration KV pat ki Nonghikai ki ba dan nya kata ka jumut ani ki ba jumlien ban penstam ani ban penting pinsmit ki Nonghikai ina kaliang ka sangro ngim shim namar ba menta ka sing ngim shim layo ban ya kendu yu principal principal lah ban ini siapa police station na kalian namar ba na kalian jiki ba kulit lu kila issue na kesu bagi 1 mi namar dia dong kami kita inquiry na kalian jo kasangi sawan ban kenduru principal kenang ban tip khambanya namar ba kat kum ka jing tip ko jing kumbola botai de education assistant education secretary jingka CEC mo long bahang ni kam de tangga de ka first incident ka baja kum ni Hakipor bala debro kidan ki Nonghikai barjala ki ba persang ban tiba jumle ro ban Shoh bandat ani ban penting ban pismi ki Khynnah puli namar bala da Khynnah puli kidan taka environment ka blok unsafe kumno kin guru pat hakataka learning process ka jongki dan nakaliang kasang ni kentu ya ki bor penyak jongki ka KV la kadai ni hapo mulai la kadai hapo perslong ne hakna ka benta ka branch ka kidan hapo jala Meghalaya ba idai ban pitikna ba kum kini ki jingja kim dei Shoh banja ba ada kasang hi kadang yo bat gijing ujo nang ni khmat kum kini ki jingja ki aja kini ki KV school nakaliang kasang kamban sepat ban shem de ki pat ki sinja mi bat ya persai ki bor penjat ba kam tam ya ikta ki Nonghikai ki budan ki ban Shoh bandat ban penting persmi ki Khynnah puli ngila paru ngi awara ro ka jing thok ma ban ya kendu principal namar ban ngi apa ban kendu principal ngila IT ban ngila somena aktiviti official gi bala pha de regional office ki KV hakabana kaliang kasang ngila pha ki jing thok ba ban pelong kita ke inquiry ke ba mardor angta ban penstom yu tau Nonghikai uba dan kti ban Shoh bandat kumbalami haka kubuar ba ikpa jungtu Khynnah ngila boro ya ka jingdawa ba kidai ban buo ya kata CCTV mo hapo haman ki classroom ba haman ki kedong ki construct ki bedi hapo kini ke school nang bat peti kena ka jisngan jongki kena pulih bat kham tamya ban thau kata ka komiti berkenan kata ka jeng amin siam bat ban peti kena ru ya kata ka jing sngan jongki kena pulih beran hami po ka skol bat ki ba pulih hami po skol TV la mi we pa juni kena balawan dekat ki media hami la dengan beklau di busung ke kelas 5 ne kelas 6 mo nambar dengan 4 sim layu apa nya kendo rumah berkeman but ini sungguh ba uni kena orang dai minor mo kalau ada kom gini gijingja ka ta ke jumbu ke perkat ke jumbu let's say kan manrano kata ke trauma ke ba ta ke jumbu perkat jumbu benumla ben recover let's say kan ta ha ka jingpuli ke puthi ke jumbu te kom gini ke jingja ngim kwa ba kan dang nyaja ben kan turu iki buat penyat jo ke KV bikin ai ke counseling uni kena mo nang ban piti kena buni kena unum don ha kata ka fear ka bala encounter menen ding bau ni Nonghikai bala Shoh dat bala penting bismit ingat sekam bagi buat penyat juga KV kin shim dia kata ka jengmut juga sang bat nakalian juga sang bang leong ni sawan man kedu principal ban tip kampanya bat ban pit kena ro ba uni kena mo unjo ya kata ka counseling bat kam tame ban unum dan chu kata ka fear ka ba dan hak jengmut ju pekat ju hadin kan ke jeng kat kum ka jeng i hakilat pathai ku bor ma ding bau ka ju kena lo batai ba kaladan kata ka jeng Snam hak kumut ke jeng kena bat kaladangi base kat kum ka jeng sa ma ke jeng system ka long very serious bat nakalian ka sang ngim nimla ban pedeng dalilai bat ni community ro bang ni salik ban kenduru di principal bo ban tip kai kastan nakalian jong ki bor plate kila shem persha uni Nonghikai bat nakalian ka sang ngin persang ban late ban ni kenduru bat ki bor plate jong ka mulai police station ban pit kena bat ki plate ki ber register case persha uni Nonghikai ubran kti ban system ban pen masa uni kena
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya